There are donuts in here! There are donuts in here! Oh my gosh. Yo, I didn't know it was gonna get like this up in here. Yo,
That
there are donuts
so good.
in here. Yo. Okay, y'all, check it out what we got right here. We got a gift box from VegNews. Also, y'all, look who I got right here. This is my girl, Alexa Trusty.
Hello, hello.
Alexa's fierce. We've known each other since we were how old?
12.
12. I think I was
We're
13.
old.
But
You're older than me.
I am older. I've always been older because I was homeschooled, and Alexa accepted me when she met me because we were both mixed girls with island parents. Yeah, we connected on sports and anime.
Yeah.
We were like both kindred spirits.
Weird
weirdos.
soul sisters.
Truly,
Exactly.
truly. And she lives in Colorado now.
I do.
And she's all fit. And she do what she do. She works for college, and she's just fierce, and we're gonna open this box today.
I'm excited.
She has no idea what's inside. She is not vegan, but that's okay. We still accept her. We love her for who she is because she's Alexa Trusty. All right, girl. So this is from VegNews, and they are a news publication. So thank you, VegNews. This is number one, gorgeous packaging.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. We tried to match your packaging with our little outfits today. Number one, donuts. Okay.
Oh.
How do you feel about donuts? Because I
love donuts. That photo looks really delicious as well.
I also hope. Are there donuts inside? I hope. Let's see. What if there are donuts inside? Then I'm
gonna eat one.
Are those gonna be yours? You want to take those?
Yep.
All right. How do we open this? Get over, girl. Come on. Oh, there she goes. There she goes.
You got it?
All right. Y'all ready to see what's inside? Ooh. Oh. Let's get fabulous. Okay, let's see what they. Oh, they wrote a personalized. Yo, how kind, fabulous vegan, dear Gabrielle, wishing you an absolutely fabulous holiday. All the best. Thank you so much. And look at the cute. Your personalized letter. Wow, I feel blessed.
Some stickers.
Fabulous vegan. VegNews / fabulous. Okay, come on. Okay, now are we gonna throw this up in the air? 5, 6, 7. Woo! That just made it more fun. That made it more fun. And is this a cookbook?
To being a fabulous vegan.
There are donuts in here. There are donuts in here. Oh my gosh. Yo, I didn't know it was gonna get like this up in here. Yo, there are donuts in here. Yo, I literally asked if they're asking ye shall receive. That's all I'm gonna say.
This is a cookbook. It says look good, feel good, and do good in 30 days.
Just 30 days?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what kind of recipes are in there? Ooh.
Spicy vegan chorizo bowl. First one that I flipped to.
Hey,
and I have to make that. Look at that. Look. Let's see. Ooh, that
just looks pretty. That's just pretty.
Colorful.
Well, come on, no, take a thing. What? Oh, I love the donut theme. I'm about the donut theme.
I love it.
I am 100%. Oh my goodness, there's more things in here, Alexa.
A featured mac and cheese recipe. I love me some mac and cheese.
I love me some mac and cheese.
Like
girl, here's a donut for you, girl.
Oh, yes.
Oh my goodness. What, y'all, are these edible? Like, real talk, can't tell.
We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out.
I guess we're gonna find out, child. What else
we got
is
going
there? Something
here?
else? Oh, there's some other things inside of here. Ooh. Oh,
Vegan News magazine.
Look at this.
Love that.
Oh, and look what's on the back. My favorite in the whole world. Follow your heart, feta crumble. So delicious. So good. Wow, the holiday issue. Wow, VegNews, thank you so much.
Amazing.
What a fierce and fabulous, I love it. Fabulous gift from VegNews, y'all. Girl, we're going to have to.
Are you going to
have a bite?
I'm going to have a bite.
Go for it.
I told
girl.
you if there was donuts in here, I was going to try them. So. And also, they match my sweater, so I have to, right?
They match your sweater. And it's sweater weather. Child.
Sweater weather.
Sweater weather. Sweater weather. Oh,
all right.
Sweater weather. Sweater weather. Sweater weather. Sweater weather. Oh, sweater weather. From VegNews. Hey. Y'all. Oh, girl, dig in.
All right.
Oh, it's edible.
Yup. Oh, delicious.
Oh my gosh,
so
what kind of donut is it? Can I have a bite?
Definitely some strawberry vibes, maybe. The consistency is so nice. Perfect balance. So sparkly. VegNews, y'all know what you're doing. This is amazing. Cheers.
I'm just curious how they preserved it. Why is it still so good?
I know, it tastes
like,
so fresh.
You know what it tastes like? It tastes like my childhood. Like something that I would have really craved as a kid, but I couldn't eat. But I know it's vegan. I know it's vegan because it came from VegNews. Thank you so much.
Love it.
VegNews, cheers to y'all, and thank you for all the fabulous vegan stuff that you bring to this world. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Cheers.
you. Bye.